Hi guys, welcome to Studies SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to know about the rollup summary data type in Salesforce. A rollup summary field calculates values from related records such as those in a related list. Rollup summary field is closely related to master detail relationship field. Without master details relationship, we cannot create a rollup summary. You can create a rollup summary field to display a value in a master record based on the values of the fields in a detailed record. The detailed record must be related to master through a master detail relationship. Like a formula field, it only calculates value and does not store the value anywhere. Now, let me show how to create a rollup summary field through a demo. To explain about rollup summary, I have created some records in mark details object. In this, Raghu has 3 term exams and Anto has attended 2 exams. Others don't have any exam. Now, in student object, I am going to show these details using rollup summary. Here, notable point is rollup summary should be created in a parent object. Here, student is a parent object for mark details child object. Go to object manager, choose student and fields and relationships. Click new and choose rollup summary and click next and give some meaningful name. Here I am going to give number of exams attended. In summarize object, choose mark details. And what we have to do, we have to give count of total exams. So choose count. In case of sum or min or max, we have to choose other 3 things. Now click next. Rollup summary field has been created. Go to the object. In home, choose Raghu. We seen that he has 3 exams attended. It has been shown here. And Anto has attended 2. Let's see Anto. Yeah. And others. Let's see any other student. Shami has not attended anyone, so it's showing us 0. That's all about rollup summary data type. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.